Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Juliet. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Magnum ice cream. So this video I wanted to dispose it and I said no, I have to show you guys the do's and don'ts when making Magnum ice cream. I made a very major mistake that you might want to avoid when making your Magnum ice cream. Please keep watching to get all the details so you don't make the same mistake that I made. One mistake should be enough for me and you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Heat on 80 degrees or 2 minutes and refrigerate for 2 hours. My first mistake was not using double cream. I used single cream. I will list all the ingredients in description box. Please do check it out. Apart from the mistake that I made, the ingredients are what you need to make a Magnum ice cream. The powder is for flavor. My second mistake was not whipping my cream very well. You should use well-whipped cream, 100% whipped. And for the molds, make sure to buy the one with a cover. But if you already have one and don't have a cover, don't worry, I will show you how to cover it. I'm using almonds. I like to break my almond myself. These are chocolate bits. Melted cocoa butter. I will list all the ingredients and measurements in description box. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I have lots of other videos that you might like as well. Please do check them out. I used dark chocolate because chocolate milk wasn't available for me, but I will recommend you use chocolate milk because it's lighter than this one that I used. Look at what my major mistake cost me. The whipped cream went up while the water settled. This front view is how you want your Magnum to be. And what will give you this is if you whipped your cream very well. I have repeated that many times because I honestly wanted to show you the mistake that I made. I wanted a shortcut. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Bye.